Have y'all ever heard of Pop Shelf? In my old city, we didn't have Pop Shelf, so I was excited to find that where I'm at now. I went to Michael's too. So the first thing I got, I went there for one thing and I left with 3 things. I got this cotton, what is this, a plant pot? I got this because it goes with like the aesthetic of my kitchen. My kitchen is like orange, red, blue, and like brown. So I got this because I'm gonna put my utensils in there. I just be seeing stuff and be coming up with ideas, but I think this is pretty cute. This is what I went to Michael's for. It is sequin. It's the reversible kind, so you can do it different ways. You guys will see what I'm doing with this later on in the vlog, or if I don't show you in the vlog, you'll kind of see down the line. But it does have something to do with fetch the bug. But I got a mason jar for iced coffee. Love iced coffee. I got these small mason jars that I got from the Goodwill, and it's not enough. It's not enough. This is the big kahuna, so this is going to be in handy when I really just want to sit back, relax, and have iced coffee. I probably won't fill it all the way up, but it will be just damn near about filled up. So I got that. Like I said, I went to Pop Shelf. Never been there, been hearing about it, been seeing commercials, so I thought I would try it out. I'm washing clothes, hopefully they too loud. And I got a mixing bowl. I need a mixing bowl. I do like to cook a lot, and I'll be needing it for when I make like my seafood boil sauce. So I got this. This was $6, and it's glass. This is a nice ass fucking bowl. So I got that. What else I get? I got a baking pan. Like I said, I like to cook. I didn't know Glade made cooking wear, so that was cool to see. Glade, I feel like it's a trustworthy brand, so I got that. It's pretty. It's sturdy. Like, it's a nice fucking pan. I am curious to see how it is like when I start washing it. Like if it's gonna like tarnish or anything or get rusty, but we gonna see. So I got that. I got a strainer. It's only $1. Like when I get like orange juice or lemonade, or when I'm baking or something like that, strainer, I'll be needing a strainer. It really do come in handy. So I did get a motherfucking strainer. And I put it in my plant pot. It looks so cute. To go with my mug, I got a steel straw and a carrier. The straws I got, they don't be fitting. Like, they not long enough or strong enough to like stir all that coffee that be in there. So I needed a metal one, and I guess I can start trying to be like a better person, save the ocean, the fuck. But yeah, it come with 2 straws and a cleaner and a carrier. I probably will never carry this with me nowhere, but I guess it's good to have. So I got that. Chip clips. 3 small ones and a big one for $2. I had 2 small ass clips for $1, and I thought I was getting a good deal. And then once you keep looking, that's why I don't like to buy impulsively, because I'll see stuff I like, I'll put it in my cart, and I'll kind of walk around and look through the whole store, and then I'll kind of figure out what I want, because I put those in my cart and then I found these, which is clearly a better deal. 4 for $2 versus 2 for $1. Like this, and it's a big one. So I got these because I need chips. Chip clips. Period. I don't know about y'all, but I be feeling like a real adult when I buy stuff like this. I don't know. I used to be when I used to have bad days and I would go shopping, I would get like a lot of makeup stuff. But now I've been doing like my retail therapy with more stuff that I need around the house. It's a better, I don't feel as guilty when I shop for stuff that I know I really need. And then I got this candle. It's a pumpkin latte candle. So it says sweet cream, caramel, pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon, and espresso. That's what it looked like. $5. And it smells so good. Like, I could not buy this. I could not buy this. It was definitely a good buy. $5. Stop playing with her. Whew. Okay, so my camera had died earlier, and it is now nighttime. It's like, hold it up. It is 9 o'clock at night, and I'm about to make me something to eat. As y'all can see, we was talking about that sequence. This is just a prototype. Just something I'm working on, not sure, but you guys are the first to see it. It needs some work, but like I said, it's a prototype. I was just fucking around, broke another nail. But yeah. What y'all think in the comments below? Would y'all wear something that says fuck you? Or is that just me? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Once it's like perfect and stenciled out and cute. Remember, this is a prototype, so don't be judging my letters. That shirt that I showed y'all, it was so fucking cute, but the execution of it, like once I washed it, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. So I'm gonna have to look into that a little bit more. We'll have to look into that a little bit more. So we might be going a different route. But I'm gonna keep y'all up to date with that stuff. Please follow my social media. You guys know my name is Fantasia Fetch on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Like my page whole, because the Facebook and Twitter is just, it's lacking. It's lacking. So I need y'all to hop on there. Yeah. So I will see y'all. I'm not gonna say tomorrow because we might do something tomorrow, we might not. I am gonna charge y'all because I haven't had y'all charged. So, and it's saying I got 4 minutes left before it cut off on me. So I'm gonna charge y'all tonight. And have some juice in there. I got my car mount. So maybe we can run a Target or something. I do need to get some more stuff for organizing. You know what? I need to get some more stuff for organizing. So we can go do that sometime this week. That's what I'm gonna say. But yeah, guys, see you on the next day. What is up? It is November now, and I'm on my way to go run some errands. I'm gonna show y'all my quick little outfit of the day, and then we're gonna get going. Ooh. Sorry, I'm not used to this. Okay, so let me see if I can I zoom in? Yes, I can. Okay, so I just got a little beanie on because bitch is having a bad hair day. I need a haircut and I need my roots done. The shirt is pink. The jacket is vintage Gap. And the pants are Nike. And my shoes, you can't really see. There you go. My shoes are Croc because comfortability is everything. Let's roll. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to cook Zenna. I don't know what this too. I think it's saying I only got 2 minutes of. My camera's acting up, y'all, but I'm about to cook dinner. So let me go ahead and show y'all the ingredients. We're gonna make my famous Alfredo today. So this is what you need for the recipe. I got some heavy whipping cream, some Parmesan cheese. This is the cheese that I always get. I've never used anything different for my Alfredo sauce. It's called Frigo. I got some chicken breast tenderloins, because it's just easier to deal with versus cutting chicken breast. Spinach, and then I got some bacon in here, and you're also gonna need some garlic. So we're gonna start the cooking process. Girl. Okay, so before the camera cut off, I forgot to tell y'all that you're also gonna need penne pasta. I personally like penne. This is what I like. I got the water on the stove boiling, and then I got all my seasonings and stuff right here too. So this is pretty much like my little setup right here. Y'all see I got all the ingredients, and then I got my cutting board right here, and I'm about to start cutting this garlic. So that's what it looks like down here. I cannot believe I nigga rigged this like this. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna start by cutting the garlic. I'm only gonna use a clove. I don't really like garlic, y'all. I don't like garlic powder, and I don't like garlic. I just like it sometimes it calls for it. You need to have that fresh garlic in your recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and smash my clove. Get the shell off. So down in the comments below, tell me y'all Alfredo recipe. I know everybody do they Alfredo different. So y'all tell me how y'all do y'all's. Don't be critiquing my shit, ho. This is how the fuck I do it. I got 20 minutes, so I'm gonna try to show y'all all of this in 20 minutes. So cut the garlic. Hold on, y'all. Hello? Okay, y'all, so I've been gone. Hold on. Yeah, I fucked up. So sorry, y'all. I had a phone call, but this is what we working with. This is the pasta. We just gotta let the sauce thicken up. Can y'all see that? Hold on. This is the pasta. This is my bacon that I'm gonna put on top, but this is the pasta. It's got the spinach, chicken, the garlic. I'm gonna show y'all like the full way you do it down the line. I knew I forgot something. I'm sitting here rushing. That fucking phone call threw me off. Sun-dried tomatoes. You have to add sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm gonna add these, and I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces into my pan. That's noodles in there. I just used the same pot that I cooked the noodles in. I put oil in there. I don't know why I didn't. Okay, so now we're gonna take that. And we're gonna mix it together. Whew. Mix it together. For seasonings, I use Cajun, seasoned salt, white pepper, onion powder, crushed red pepper, Parmesan. We're gonna put that bacon. Macaroni in the pot. That's on.
There was a bright flash, everything went white. I must have strangled it.
Must have. But you don't remember? Because up until a moment ago, you had a clear head and a steel trap memory for the night.
Yeah, but everything changed.
Everything changed because Caroline was dead.
No, it was all a haze.
You just finished telling the court how clear and focused you were.
That was before.
So
It was an accident.
it is.
An accidental
I
strangling.
think
I swear I didn't
it's
do it.
Wednesday
I'm
night.
sorry.
Wednesday night. I just did my makeup, and these are my lashes from my brand. I stacked them. So I stacked two 25mm lashes on top of each other. So this is the Fetchiana lash and the Anthem lash stacked.
I'll allow it.
This is not my gloss. This is Chestnut and two glosses from NYX. But yeah, I'm just chilling. I got some new content coming on my Instagrams. I got a lot of texture because I'm on my period right now. But yeah, I put some Christmas decorations up, y'all. Let me show y'all. So I got some nutcrackers and I put some Christmas trees up. I got her from Burlington, whew, honey, years ago. And then I got these trees from Target. So that's what I got up for Christmas. And then in the kitchen, I got a stocking put up. Nothing crazy, just something real chill for Christmas. Right now I'm watching SVU. This is my favorite show to watch when I'm doing my makeup because I've watched all of them at least 50 times. About 50 times, I'm almost positive. And I know all the words and I know what's gonna happen, so it's easy to listen to it and do my makeup without having to like actually tune in. But yeah, so